Hi, wanted to reach out real quickly with this video today to discuss the recent move by the Federal Reserve to raise rates another 3/4 of a point on Wednesday, July 27th. Now that makes the second consecutive month, both in June and July, that they raised rates by 3/4 of a point. And many of you might be thinking, "Oh my goodness, mortgage rates must be really getting up there because I know they were pretty high even before these recent rate hikes." Well, actually, that's not the case. And as I've described in the past, what the Federal Reserve is controlling is what is referred to as the Fed funds rate. Now, these rate hikes are in an effort to curb inflation and get inflation in check. That is actually a very positive sign for mortgage-backed securities, as they are a bond and get deteriorated with higher inflation. So they're worth less with more inflation. And so the Federal Reserve doing this is actually helping mortgage rates, because mortgage rates are, and the bond market in particular, is looking at this as a very favorable, aggressive move by the Federal Reserve to get this inflation in check. So actually, what we've noticed since these two hikes is that we're seeing rates stabilize, even come down a little bit, and are much more favorable than they were June 15th, when they appear to have peaked, at least short term. Now, I don't want you to think rates are in the 3 or 4%. We're not quite there by any stretch. We're still, in the five plus range. That being said, however, it's still a great time to look at purchasing a home. And as I've explained to many clients here recently, you want to marry the home and date the interest rate. In other words, fall in love with the home. If it's the home, then get into it so you can start accumulating equity, start accumulating wealth, and put yourself on that path. You'll then date the interest rate, because at some point in time you'll be able to refinance into a lower rate and lower that overall cost. But you'll have all that equity that you've built up in the meantime that will go into your pocket and not into a landlord's pocket. If you have any questions concerning getting qualified, don't hesitate. Give us a call. Let us discuss your situation and see how we can help you. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.